Hey guys, it's Blake from Axeptio, and today I want to show you how you can install our Shopify app so you can elevate your customer's consent experience, tailor that experience to your brand, and stay compliant wherever you are around the globe. Let's dive into it. Okay friends, so if you head over to the Shopify App Store, I'm sure you're familiar. If you're a brand, you'll see install, but you also see a lot of information that differentiates Axeptio from other apps that are out there that aren't as powerful, unique, or Google's consent mode 2 compliant. So definitely want to look for that. You hit install here, as you can see, and it will open up another dynamic screen that you'll need to log in and verify and install. Once you hit this here, you've now installed the app on your store. It is that simple, that easy. You just need to sign up or log in to create a new account on our end for Axeptio, so that way you have your own hub of information, analytics, and more, and also allow you to customize your cookie banner and widget. If you want to create a new account, all you have to do is put in your information. Once you've logged in or you've created an account, you'll now be able to set up a new project or use an existing project. Let's say you have this set up on a different website and you want to bring that over to here if you already are an Axeptio customer and maybe you're launching a store. But let's dive into, as a new user would, creating a new project. Let's say project name, I'm going to put Chasing Creative Shop. That way I know exactly which project I'm working on. As you can see, we give you a free trial to start where you get up to 200 visitors per month. So if you're just launching and want to explore the product, you're going to want to choose that. Otherwise, select a package that is suitable for your business and the amount of traffic you expect to get to your website. And great, now you have to just activate the application in the theme. Toggle on and save. Now we just have to make sure it's set up on Axeptio the way that we want it to present on our website. The type of information we want to capture and share, the different components we want to toggle on and off for tracking, as well as the branding and messaging we want to match our store. Now, as you can see, I have a ton of different information here that I can customize, including graphics and colors, the different verbiage used here, why we use cookies, messages, and more to be able to customize it and tailor it for your brand. And we can also do different integrations that are needed and see the different analytics, diving into the colors and styles and configuration, the different integrations we want to connect with, and maybe even other analytics tools that we're using. All of that is right here in Axeptio in one place for you to be able to dynamically change. So after you've customized everything for your look and feel, your branding, your colors, your tone of voice, you simply go over and hit publish. And now it's deploying directly to your Shopify store. You can come in here anytime to update, to tweak, and to change out different graphics or messaging as needed, to set up different analytics connectors or make new integrations. You can do that all right here and it will publish to your Shopify store, giving your customers a better consent experience, you more analytics on your customers that are opting in, and making sure that you're retargeting and giving the best privacy, compliance, information to your customers as needed. If you guys have any questions for us here at Axeptio, we're always around. Give us a holler and talk to you soon.